Hello and welcome to yet another photo shooting video. We're here with Juliana again, and in this shoot it'll be a casual shoot here at this train station. We'll be using a compact camera, the LX100, this tiny little cutie.
I asked him what's special about this camera. He said nothing.
But yeah, I just thought it would be fun because there's nice lighting inside the station. So yeah, are you ready? How do you feel?
Well, we just had the dress photo shoot, which will be probably another video closer to this video. So I'm kind of tired, but I think we're gonna keep it simple. We're not gonna be like in the wet grass sitting, you know. So yeah.
We have wet floor inside.
No, I'm not sitting on the wet floor inside.
Anyway, without further ado, let's get into the video.
Let's do it.
So for the first shot, I was thinking of like a close-up shot. So is that a real person looking at? No, that's a poster looking at us. I just kind of want you to stand here and just kind of like have your hands in your pocket and just kind of like look into the camera. I think it's just going to be a tighter shot that I want from here. I quite like the tones. So yesterday, Juliana and I just came across the station and decided to do a test shoot here, and personally, I really love the lighting in the station, so I just thought, why not just do a photo shoot here with Juliana again, just using a compact camera. That might be fun.
Did you capture it?
I did. I was thinking, just kind of like what we did earlier, just lean against that and just look up elsewhere. Just bring a bit of your jawline.
Yes, got you.
So the theme of this photo shoot is urban portrait shoot, and Juliana actually has a very nice urban outfit underneath the coat, but since it's very cold in the station, we thought that why not just keep the coat on, and you know, the lighting was still hitting Juliana very nicely, and I think that the coat still suits the location very well, so I thought why not just work with the coat. Yes, I like that look, Yeah, keep looking at the bird. I mean, you're also a bird. Yeah. Shia!
Oh, are you okay? There you go. Please don't fall. Okay, so got it?
Yeah, got it. I was wondering, like, would it be okay to sit?
Yeah.
Like, okay. Just kind of like sit in the middle on this stuff. Yeah.
I think I got you.
My feet are still traumatized when I. Yeah. This will be kind of like half body. Yeah, this is great. I love the pattern. So for this shoot, I'll be shooting raw simply because I like to have complete control, since the white balance on this camera is kind of messed up and it's measuring everything to be really warm despite me turning a lot of things already to the cooler side. So yeah. This is great. Yeah, this is great.
Oh, cute.
And just the next shot, just you leaning against this, but just like your head also just kind of lean against this.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna be around here, then I know where the stars end. So within this particular shoot, the one main difference in this shoot compared to all of my other shoot is actually there aren't a lot of movements in this shoot. With many other shoots that I've done in the past, I would actually take a lot of movement pictures as well, like having the model walking towards the camera, walking from side to side, swing here and there. But with this particular shoot, it's a lot of sitting and it's a lot of just standing. And I wouldn't blame you if you were to think that the reason for that is the slow autofocusing system. Yes, it is very slow. Yes, it is not as accurate, especially working underground like this. But on another hand, it's also good to also work very slowly in this kind of environment. I think coming from a much longer shoot earlier, this is actually relaxing on the muscles for Juliana, and making her feel more relaxed here in this location will actually be more beneficial for this shoot as well. So yeah. Yes, that's much better. Whew. Look through.
Let's see.
I want to try the pose that we did. Also, when you were squatting over there.
Yes, let's do that.
Yeah.
I see your. Yeah, I know what you mean.
A bit closer. Yes, that's nice. Yeah. Take your time.
It's not very comfortable with these shoes, but it's. Oh, nice. Ooh, ooh.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, more like it. So, relax. Is there a train coming on our side? Ooh, okay. Okay. Yes. Yes. Nice. Nice. Yeah, this is nice. Ooh, this is also nice. Maybe a bit closer. Okay.
Cute.
Let me show you.
What if?
No, the light is not hitting your face the way I wanted it to hit.
Yeah, that's I lay on the floor here.
Yeah.
It's sitting here.
Yeah, actually, let's try this. So this is just a close-up of just getting your face, because I'm really liking the light. Yeah. Yes. That's nice.
You know what we could do?
Hoodie. Yes. No, that's much better. Yeah, we did this before. Yeah. This is good. Okay.
Cute.
Yeah.
Oh, my.
Just stand here. Like, just kind of lean against this pillar. Just look into the camera. It'll be a tight shot. It's tight. Yeah. This is nice. Yeah. Look away. Yes, I like that. Very urban-y. Oh shit. It's out of battery.
Oh no. Well, I guess that's a sign. Oh, nice view actually of the background.
Yeah, right. So yeah, that was it for today's photo shoot. It ended a little bit early on the very last shoot because the camera ran out of battery.
Yeah, but I think we did everything we wanted. Wait a second, train.
Oh,
Anyhow,
God.
continue.
just wait a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
now we can continue.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, how did you feel about the shoot?
It was, I think, the shortest shoot that we've ever done, which is like 20 minutes only.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the longest we've done would last a couple of hours, and this one is just like, yeah. I mean, we've done like similar pictures yesterday. We kind of just did the same thing, so we already knew the poses and we knew the places, so that's why it went pretty quick.
Yeah.
very
Yeah.
efficient.
Definitely, and also like the battery ran out at the end as well. So.
Yeah, well, then they don't need to know about that.
Well, they would have seen from the screen. But anyway.
Yeah, fair enough.
Anyway, yeah, that was it for this shoot. I personally had a lot of fun as well, and thank you very much for being here. It's always very nice to shoot with you, really.
Nice to shoot with you as well.
Since our first year of college.
True.
Yeah, so if you need a free photography guidebook, it's absolutely for free on my website. The link is down in the description section below, so as some of my free tutorials as well, and also some of the paid ones as well. And yeah, if you have any questions, any suggestions, any recommendations, feel free to also comment that down in the comment section below as well. Otherwise, I thank you all very much for watching. Stay safe, have fun shooting. Till next time, bye for now.
Bye.